I want to show you how you can use underlay in Revit Architecture. If you want to indicate a cantilever on the ground floor, the best tool you can use is underlay. Without wasting your time, let's get started. So you are going to go to ground floor plan. Right now I am on ground floor plan. So I'm going to go to the property palette and simply scroll down until I get to underlay here. Now it is set to none. I'm going to set it to first floor. Let's select first floor and I click apply. Now I can see the first floor from the ground floor. So what I want to do now is I'm going to add a line to it. I'll use detail line. The shortcut I'm using is DL. Now I'm going to select the type of line I want to use. I want to use dash line. So I'm going to select the line that is called overhead. So let's look for overhead. This is it. Now that we have selected the overhead, I'm going to click pick line. Then I'm just going to pick the image of the first floor that is showing here. Let's just pick the first floor that is showing there. All those ones that are faint, they are the first floor. Then the ones that are active are the ground floor. So ensure you pick it around. When you are done picking it, you can click on the modify tool. At this point, we can set it to none now because we are done with what we want to use it for. So we'll go back to underlay and set it to none. Scroll up, set it to none, click apply. Now the only thing we can see is the line that we placed that time. So we are going to use extend to cut off some unnecessary parts from it. Use extend multiple to remove those ones that are excess. Like this one, I can do this. Then this one, I click here to remove that excess. For this, I can use this. Good. So we are done with. Now we now know where our cantilever is following, even when we are on the ground floor. So that is how you can use underlay in Revit Architecture. If you want to have access to my complete Revit tutorial masterclass, I'm going to leave a video up here. Ensure you watch that video to take you to where you can gain access to my complete Revit tutorial masterclass. Watch it now.